Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we are diving deep into the meaning of the word incorrigible. We will explore its definition, understand its usage, and look at various synonyms that can help you enhance your vocabulary. What does incorrigible mean? The word incorrigible is an adjective that describes someone or something that is beyond correction, reform, or improvement. It is often used to characterize a person with a habitual pattern of bad behavior that cannot be changed. For instance, when we say someone has an incorrigible habit, we mean that they are unable or unwilling to change that habit despite repeated efforts or advice. Incorrigible, definition and usage. According to the dictionary, incorrigible is defined as not able to be corrected, improved, or reformed. This term is typically used in a negative context to describe behavior that is persistently problematic. For example, a student who repeatedly disrupts class might be labeled as an incorrigible troublemaker. In literature and daily conversation, the term incorrigible is often employed to emphasize the severity and persistence of one's actions or characteristics. It conveys a sense of hopelessness regarding any potential change or improvement. Synonyms for incorrigible. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for incorrigible. Irredeemable, something or someone that cannot be saved or improved. Incurable, typically used for diseases, it can also describe behaviors or traits that cannot be changed. Unmanageable, difficult or impossible to control or deal with. Unreformable, incapable of being reformed or improved. Habitual, a behavior that is ingrained and practiced regularly. Examples of incorrigible in sentences. Despite numerous warnings, the employee's incorrigible tardiness led to his dismissal. The child's incorrigible curiosity often got him into trouble. Her incorrigible optimism made her a joy to be around, even in difficult times. The incorrigible thief was finally caught after a long string of burglaries. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions or words you'd like us to cover next, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more in-depth vocabulary insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching.